Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're ready to experience real power and adventure on two wheels, the X Pro 250 cubic centimeters dirt bike with the Zongshen brand engine is built to impress. This bike brings together strength, precision, and performance. Everything you need for serious off-road riding. That if you want to check it out yourself, the links down below. The heart of this beast is the 232.6 cubic centimeters Zongshen engine. Known for its durability and impressive power output, this engine delivers smooth acceleration, quick response, and long-lasting reliability. Zongshen engines are recognized in the motorsport world for their quality and longevity, giving you confidence every time you hit the trail. Whether you're riding through dirt, gravel, or uneven terrain, this engine keeps the performance steady and strong. The X Pro 250 cubic centimeters features a 5-speed manual transmission that puts you fully in control. Shifting is crisp and precise, allowing you to adapt quickly to different terrains. Whether you're climbing hills or pushing for top speed on open trails, the gear ratios are tuned to give you maximum torque and efficiency. It's built for riders who love that raw, hands-on connection to the bike. Now let's talk design and handling. This dirt bike comes with a sturdy frame that's made for stability and balance, even during aggressive riding. The inverted front fork suspension system is one of its key highlights. It provides excellent damping and steering precision, making the ride smooth even on rough trails. It's optimized for easy handling and gives you full control whether you're navigating tight corners or jumping obstacles. The X Pro 250 cubic centimeters also rides on big 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, giving you superior ground clearance and stability. These large wheels improve traction and handling, especially when tackling uneven or muddy terrain. Combined with high-quality tires, the bike grips confidently and absorbs shocks effectively, so you can ride longer and harder. Lighting is another standout feature. The LED headlights are bright, energy efficient, and durable, offering better illumination than traditional halogen bulbs. They consume less power while producing more light, perfect for evening rides or low visibility conditions. You get enhanced safety and a modern, aggressive look that complements the bike's rugged design. The exhaust system is engineered for both performance and safety. It helps reduce engine noise and efficiently channels out high-temperature gases, keeping the engine running cooler and more effectively. The sound it produces is powerful but refined, matching the strong personality of the bike. When it comes to starting the bike, you get the best of both worlds, electric and kickstart. The electric start is convenient for quick, effortless ignition, while the kickstart is a reliable backup option when you're out on the trails. This dual start system ensures you're never stuck, no matter where your adventure takes you. The X Pro 250 cubic centimeters dirt bike does require some basic assembly, but nothing too complicated. Typically, you'll need to attach the handlebar brackets, wheels, brakes, number plate, and fender. Once set up, it's ready to deliver thrilling off-road performance that few bikes in this class can match the high-end summer. The X Pro 250 cubic centimeters dirt bike isn't just about looks, it's a true off-road performer. With its powerful Zongshen engine, responsive 5-speed transmission, durable build, and precision suspension, it's made for riders who crave excitement, control, and reliability. From weekend adventures to off-road challenges, this bike is built to conquer them all. If you're ready to step up your riding game and feel the power of a true 250 cubic centimeters machine, the X Pro 250 cubic centimeters dirt bike with Zongshen engine is ready for you. Check it out for yourself. The link's down below.